Welcome to the first ever video quiz from Access Learning Zone. Now, today's quiz is for beginners, but don't get cocky. I'll ask 5 questions, give you a few seconds to think about each one, then reveal the answer. Keep track of your score and we'll see how you did at the end. Are you ready? Here we go. Question 1. Which Microsoft Access object is primarily used to store data? Is it a form, report, table, or query? That one's a table. All of your data is stored in one or more tables. Question 2. Which Access object is designed specifically for printing? A form, a report, a table, or a query? That's a report. Remember, forms are for working with data on the screen. Reports are for printing, emailing, PDFing, and basically giving information to somebody who isn't using your database. Can you print a form? Yeah, you can, but reports are for printing. Question 3. What is another name for one complete row of information in a table? Think about it. That's a record. A record is another name for row. Question 4. What is this thing called in Access? And hint, it's not a column. Anybody? Bueller? That's called a field in Microsoft Access. That's the customer ID field, the order ID field, and so on. All right, last question. How you doing so far? Question 5. Microsoft Access is what type of database? Relational, hierarchical, sequential, or linear? Access is a relational database. That means it can recognize relationships between different types of data, like customers and their orders, so you don't have to duplicate information. All right, how'd you do? Are you an Access Jedi, or is it time for another lesson? Now, if you missed any, these topics and a lot more are covered in my Access Beginner Level 1 course, Lesson 1, which is absolutely free. You'll find a link down below. So thanks for playing. Post your score in the comments, and until next time, live long and prosper, my friends.